Hessair Evaporative Coolers allows you to enjoy the comfort of evaporative cooling on the go. Our patented cooling technology uses the natural cooling effects of air passing over water. The air evaporates the water, and the water, in turn, cools the surrounding air. Our fans are designed to deliver cool air further and more quietly than any other cooler on the market, providing you with the most comfortable experience possible. Our larger coolers provide cool air up to 40 feet, and even our smallest model can cool up to 20 feet away, meaning that a Hessair cooler can produce and deliver more cool air measured by cubic feet per minute than the same size cooler produced by our competitors. It's easy to see why Hessair is recognized as the leader of air movement technology. Our coolers are designed for portability and functionality, allowing your Hessair cooler to go wherever you go. Hessair, cool air anywhere.
Stay cool and dry this summer using the Avalon 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner. Able to cool a space up to 525 square feet without requiring permanent installation, this air cooler is the perfect solution for your home or office. Because of its dual hose design, this portable air conditioner will cool your space 40% faster than the similar single hose units. Whether you prefer your area to be cool or downright cold, this unit has a temperature setting for you. Simply set your desired temperature within the wide range of 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit and sit back and enjoy as the portable air conditioner cools the area to your liking. Manage all of your settings from the comfort of your seat by using the included remote control and easily customize noise and air output by choosing from the 3 available fan speeds. If you're looking for a powerful and convenient cooling solution for your space, the Avalon 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner is the perfect unit for you.
The SRCool Net web management accessory turns Tripp Lite's SRCool 12K portable air conditioning unit into a network manageable device, allowing you to monitor temperatures, receive alerts, review logs, and control settings from remote locations. The SRCool 12K and SRCool Net work hand in hand to deliver a user-friendly cooling solution that is easy to install, easy to operate, and is perfect for off-hour or unattended cooling application in small server rooms and wiring closets. Don't let excessive heat compromise the performance and reliability of your network equipment. Order the SRCool 12K and SRCool Net today.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.